Hi, I'm Courtney with FMA Summits. If your team sells power, cooling, or building optimization solutions, what if you could reach senior leaders from both the booming data center world and a huge range of other mission-critical facilities? We're talking hospitals, pharma manufacturing, university campuses, and advanced manufacturing plants, all in one room at one time. This event bridges that exact gap, delivering decision makers from both sectors who are actively building their building optimization playbooks for the coming year. This is where your pipeline accelerates. We cap our summits at just 20 sponsors. You get a clean exhibit space for deep dive conversations, a 20-minute main stage presentation to the entire unified audience, and assigned seating at every meal next to senior leaders who have specifically requested to meet with you. These aren't cold introductions, they're warm conversations already in progress. These aren't just leads, they are a converged group of decision makers. You'll be meeting with a powerful mix of leaders from both worlds. VPs of data center operations and directors of critical facilities, alongside directors of engineering, chief engineers, and heads of capital projects from a huge range of industries. These are the leaders struggling with everything from rack density to generator compliance as part of their larger optimization mandate. They have the authority to say, yes, let's pilot that. Our model is built to do one thing: compress 12 to 18 months of your sales cycle into 90 days of real movement. Spots are limited. To find out if your category is still available, click the Connect Me button in the bottom right. Our Director of Partnerships will call you directly, human to human, in under 28 seconds. Let's lock in your spot and engineer the conversations that change everything for your bottom line.